Three things happened in AI this week that will change everything. Three things happened in AI this week that will change everything. Number one, ChatGPT can now remember you. Not just your conversation, but your preferences, your goals, your personality. Across every chat, forever, it is building a permanent model of who you are and what you want. Privacy advocates are panicking. Number two, Google's Gemini AI can now predict your next move before you make it. It analyzes your search history, your location, your calendar, and tells you what you will do before you decide. The accuracy rate is 92%. Free will might be an illusion. Number three, companies are now hiring AI agents instead of humans, not for simple tasks, for complex jobs, customer service, accounting, legal research, even management. One AI agent can do the work of 20 humans for 2% of the cost. The job market just shifted forever. This was 1 week in AI, 1 week, and the world is already different. Imagine what next week brings. Follow for weekly AI updates you cannot afford to miss.